get equipped for an economic step forward, because XRP is on a skyrocketing adventure, probably achieving heights of $1,650 to $2,900 by way of the stop of 2024. This isn't always simply sensational speak. It is grounded in a full-size development. The coming near release of an XRP ETF. Picture this: BlackRock, the equal monetary titan that delivered a successful Bitcoin ETF, is turning its information to XRP with an astounding tune record, wherein definitely every ETF notion they've submitted has been greenlit. BlackRock's move into XRP is a sport changer. But wait, there's greater. It's no longer just BlackRock making waves. Grayscale is also entering into the area. They've not simply proposed an XRP ETF, however, have also incorporated XRP into their cryptocurrency portfolio. This highlights XRP's and Ripple Labs developing have an impact on in the realm of global transactions. Hello, Moneyside family. Welcome back on your past, a hub for all matters XRP. Before we bounce into the heart of modern day content material, let's first touch base. I want a small favor from you. Go in advance and damage that like button, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell to sign up for our wonderful network. And here's a little heads up. We're revving up for a brilliant XRP giveaway as we approach the 60,000 subscriber mark. Getting concerned within the giveaway is a breeze. Just follow 3 simple steps. So make certain you're tuned in and ready. Also remember to leave a hashtag money facet within the comments to secure your spot inside the giveaway. Now, allow us to get into the interesting global of XRP and spot what is new today. Upon diving deeper into the facts, it will become clear that BlackRock's recognition in ETF approvals is nearly faultless. As the global leader in asset management, BlackRock's undertaking into cryptocurrencies and Web 3.0 signifies a pivotal shift in the traditional finance zone's view of digital currencies. Their almost perfect approval report for ETFs stands as a testament to their unrivaled understanding in navigating the financial marketplace. Remember, BlackRock's ETF approval charge is an impressive 99.8%, making them an unstoppable force in the ETF landscape. Understanding the massive photo is fundamental right here. Major economic players like BlackRock and JP Morgan haven't just been eyeing XRP, they have been actively collecting it. Reports, together with a leaked document, advise that these giants have invested over 7.5% of their total wealth into XRP. A recent thoroughly vetted article even hinted at BlackRock shifting its recognition totally from Bitcoin to XRP, signaling a full-size shift in their investment strategy. This move indicates a surging hobby in XRP, making the opportunity of a BlackRock-sponsored XRP ETF greater potential than ever. But here's where it gets even more exciting. A new improvement within the XRP saga has emerged: the existence of an XRP ETP. The writer of this ETP remains a thriller, but its lifestyles is an essential step toward an ETF. Reports advise that while the XRP ETP has been launched, it is still inside the pre-launch phase, worth zero, however poised for unveiling any day now. And there may be greater. Rumors are circulating about a simultaneous launch of an XRP ETF, aligning the debut of each the ETP and ETF. This parallel release, not simplest, makes sense, however, also underscores speedy progress closer to the ETF, potentially following simply weeks after the release of a Bitcoin ETF. When we put this into perspective, in particular considering Bitcoin surged to $43,000 even earlier than its ETF launch, the capacity for XRP is astronomical. We're speaking approximately a likely explosion in XRP's cost, hovering to $1,650 or maybe $2,500 as soon as its ETF hits the market. Okay, pay attention me out, due to the fact this isn't as a ways fetched as it might sound. The XRP ETP has already launched, paving the manner directly to an XRP ETF in only some weeks. Unbeknownst to many, the trade-traded product for XRP has been formally launched by Fidelity, a titan in the financial global. What this translates to is a speedy circulate closer to the release of an XRP ETF, anticipated to gain approval from the US Securities and Exchange Commission rapidly. In truth, simply yesterday we mentioned a these days posted article. It discovered, based totally on a leaked document from none other than BlackRock, that an XRP ETF might be just across the corner. This leak indicated a forthcoming ETF filing for XRP. Adding to this exhilaration, a top BlackRock analyst made a public assertion, confirming the release of a BlackRock ETF, particularly for XRP. They even went as ways as to reference the Xrp trust on the subject of an ETF submitting. Now, initially skeptical, I've proven this myself, and lo and behold, it's listed right there at the Delaware listing of Group's internet site. This development is a recreation changer, and it indicates simply how near we are to seeing a seismic shift in XRP's market presence, doubtlessly mirroring or maybe surpassing the actions we have visible with Bitcoin's ETF. Recent research has shed mild on a considerable development in the crypto international. Both BlackRock and JP Morgan have acquired over 7.5 million XRP, a clean indication of institutional engagement in cryptocurrency. BlackRock is leading the price now, not simply with the aid of stockpiling XRP, but also via leveraging the XRP ledger in their operations, and most drastically pushing ahead with the general public release of an XRP ETF. Given BlackRock's near wonderful track report with ETF approvals, the likelihood of the XRP ETF getting the inexperienced light is extremely excessive. The effect of an XRP ETF on its cost can't be overstated. This is why a target fee of $9,831 for XRP, even as apparently formidable, starts off evolved to make sense whilst you don't forget all of the pivotal before traits coated up. Think about it. XRP is poised to come to be a key player in dealing with global debt transactions, specifically whilst you factor inside the surprising quantities. We're speaking about $1.80 to $1.3 quadrillion greenbacks probably flowing through the XRP ledger, pushed in the main by means of the ISDA. Add to this the involvement of the BRICS nations, including Saudi Arabia, all of whom are integrating the XRP ledger into their systems, and the Republic of Palau growing its relevant bank digital foreign money on the XRP ledger. This state of affairs offers a conventional case of high extent, excessive demand and restricted deliver, which logically factors to a skyrocketing cost consistent with XRP coin. So a topic it has been buzzing around recently is this. Some oldsters suppose my optimism approximately XRP is only a daydream. Well, maybe they have a factor. But here's what I say. I'm all about embracing this hopium. I'm rolling it up right into a giant one, lights it up and taking a deep breath. That's a few effective stuff. I'm a firm believer in hope. It's a lifeline, specifically when times are tough and you're putting on. If you're no longer on board with desire and suppose it is all simply wishful thinking, it is absolutely best. But I do not see that as a disadvantage. Let's carry every other up. That's my mantra. Anything much less simply looks like losing tokens into a void. And that is now not what we're about. We're here to live advantageous. And talking of positivity, I'm loving the enticing conversations and hard perspectives from all of you. It actually receives the brain gears turning. One thrilling factor raised changed into approximately establishments and XRP. They don't necessarily have to buy XRP. Leasing is likewise an alternative. Now, it's a concept worth brooding about, is not it? So, a curious thought crossed my thoughts. What could show up if best retail buyers have been buying XRP? I delved into this or even requested ChatGPT to approximately the everyday transaction extent of the Swift gadget. The superb solution became over $7 trillion. And don't forget, that is just global trade. Now, not together with the derivatives market, which is inside the quadrillions, nor smart contracts, NFTs, or tokenized property like real property. Now, consider XRP's ability involvement in some of these areas, but allows narrow it down to just worldwide trade, the place in which Swift operates. If we take that $7 trillion and reduce it to much less than half of, permit speculate what may want to happen if XRP, with its 1,700 connections, and yes, Ripple and XRP have genuinely set excessive bar here, were to deal with simply $3 trillion of it every day. That would mean the gadget desires to preserve $3 trillion within it for that day. This state of affairs ought to doubtlessly push the cost of XRP to over $1.50 in keeping with token. So it is clear. Cost is sure to rise. Given XRP's widespread network, it's affordable to count on that. A number of those connections will spend money on it. And referring lower back to our previous dialogue, even though establishments pick to rent rather than purchase as soon as the gadget is activated, we ought to see values hovering past $1.50, specifically if XRP handles even a half of this marketplace. If it encompasses the complete spectrum of financial institution transfers,